What's up, Kurlz Krew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys this lovely hairstyle. Yeah, so we are mohawking it to, I don't know what's up with these earrings, y'all. Like, I thought they were cute because they match my shirt, you know, but like, what's up? I might have to paint the other side myself. If you think I should paint it, you know, let me know down in the comments. But anyway, here is my mohawk look. My Frohawk mohawk, y'all. So, if you like to see this, please stay tuned. Seriously, stay tuned.
Little curly with a plastic curl, a curly afro when it cut my hair. 19 when I tried to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I started all low. 24 when I started on natural.
Okay guys, so I am starting with my hair that was deep conditioned and it's just been a bun for a few days. So I'm going to start with my Jamaican black castor oil drops, and I'm just going to drop that all throughout my scalp and massage that in there so I can get rid of any super dryness. I know this is not for moisture, but it definitely does help with the itchiness over the summer for me. I don't know if that's going to work for you, but hey, try it. But yes, I'm just going to massage that into my scalp, as you can see here. Next, we are just going to tame this mess. So you will need either a rat tail comb or you can use an edge comb with a rat tail tip, and you're just going to separate your hair into 3 sections and then a small section in the front. And the parts don't matter. You're not really going to see them with this mohawk look. Actually, the more the parts are a little bit sloppy, the best it actually comes out, because it doesn't look like you're trying to style it into ponytails. It will actually look more like a mohawk look. So yes, I'm just going to part those sections here, clip them away, and then we are going to ponytail them. Okay guys, so at the front we are just going to separate a small section because that's going to be the leave out section that's going to be blending our hair in with the mohawk in the back. Now you can make it smaller or you can make it a little larger if you want to. If you want it a little bit closer to the front of your hair, you're going to make it a little bit smaller, and if you want it a little bit further back, if your ponytail is a little bit smaller in the back and you want to make that a little bit larger, you can do that and just separate like this. So yes, now we are going to move on into making these ponytails. So I'm just going to grab my gel and move that around my roots, and I'm just going to use my Softee Olive Oil Gel. Yes y'all, so apply that to our roots, smooth it out with my brush, and then I'm going to use my hair bands to secure this, and I'm just going to continue to do this until all of my ponytails are added. Now you can leave it like this and have the wild look, or you can do like I'm going to do. Rock out, y'all, rock out. Or you can do like I'm going to do. I'm going to go in and define it. So I'm going to pin up the rest of those sections, and I'm going to start detangling by wetting with my Edge Booster spray mister, and then I'm going to go in with my Mielle leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to use my Cantu twist and lock gel right over the top of that, and then I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to detangle and give myself some nice definition. So enjoy while I do that, guys. This Define and Shine Custard is the best, y'all. Wait until you see when I'm finished. And yes, that is my Mielle there that I'm just going to apply. So, okay, guys, just keep watching. I'm a little hot, so I might dab my nose a little bit. And I got some hair on me. Ew, y'all. But anyway, yes, keep watching. So I find that you get the best definition when you work the product directly through your hair, and then just take your brush down your strands like that, and there you go. Finally almost done. I'm going to show you that definition again in the front by working that product directly through my strands all the way down my length. I'm going to make sure it's nice and evenly spread out. And once it's detangled, I'm just going to take my brush through just like that, and boom, definition. Oh my gosh, yes. So I'm just going to clip that out of the way, and then I'm going to put my hair tie around my head so that I can keep my edges down. And then we are going to go ahead in with our heat protector. I'm going to press that all over my hair, and then I'm going to go in hair diffuser, and I'm going to dry my hair that way. So here, yes, my heat protectant, and then I'm going in and drying that loosely all over my hair. To finish, we're just going to go in with some edge control and our edge brush and just touch up those edges a little bit. And you guys, we are done. Okay, baby. Okay, guys, so what do you think about this? Woo! I mean, seriously, it's so freeing. Like, I think it came out so pretty. It came out way prettier than if I didn't record it, y'all. I'm telling you, like, it doesn't come out this bomb when I don't record it. I literally wore my hair like this last weekend, and it was nice, but it wasn't this. Wasn't this? Yeah. But anyway, it's just a few easy ponytails. I thought this was super quick, something easy that you can do for the summer. If it's too hot, all you have to do is literally pin this back. You know, you could do whatever you want. You don't have to take the extra steps that I did. Like I told you guys, you can leave it puffy and you can just rock it like that. This is gonna eventually end up puffy, you know, over the next few days or whatever. And you can also finger coil, which is like my favorite go-to. It's super easy. It'll last for a while, but as long as I wrap this up, this is going to last too. So I usually just take my satin head my bonnet, and then I'll just wrap this around my edges, and that'll be the end of it. Okay, so you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.